show. We see them for inside the studio with LAX. Thank God, only one girl there for this video. Only one girl, thank God. Thank God. Now, a quick one. Morenikeji, Abi Morenike. Quick one for this your new single featuring Olamide, Fine Boy. Tell us about Fine Boy.
Fine Boy, now we shoot the video for Lagos.
Okay.
The song we do, I record the song for nights.
Okay.
Me and Legendary B, we vibe all night for studio. As we finish now, Legendary B say, "Oh boy, Olamide go make sense for this song."
To add for the song.
And so we call Olamide. We go Olamide house. 15 minutes, Olamide don't write verse. We don't collect song.
I see the hot.
We don't run. We run with the song.
Now, make I ask you this question because now how you take the write your songs? You go sit down, write them constructively. I been like your year beat, like Timaya, like a flavor. Ochare poko, okunwa baby, achukureke, koko. Now, so you think they do your own. I mean, go very right down before you hear the beats. No. I mean, when you hear the beats, like what's that song with Timaya and Teddy G?
Not get it.
Oh, hey, that song, they're not. That Teddy G get down. Teddy G can't call Timaya. Say, Timaya come sing for this song. Then Timaya come like, hey, I don't sing plantain. You're okay, I'll get there. Oh, if I say I'll get there. You go be like, no get there. Hey, no get there. Malo no get there. Malo no get there. Malo no get there. How many? 12. Okay. Malo no get there. How many? 32. Okay. So, how you think they do your own? You know, when you hear the beat, you go write your song.
When I first start to do music, I get book. I don't write all the songs. Okay. Because where I go record service, I the paper because now for UK.
Okay, so you don't write them quickly. You go there so that not waste.
Because I got quickly.
You're an Igbo man in your spirit.
But now I don't get Legendary beat. I get Malik Berry. I get piano. Okay. So I always like hear the beat because if you do your industry, you go learn what people want. Yes. For our industry, now melody everybody.
Now melody everybody wants.
People don't want to hear. The stress too much. We want to hear. But if I want to do conscious music, I go don't sit down and write them. I go follow the producer talk. We go make the beat based on waiting I don't write. Okay. So depending on the kind of song where I want to release.
So not be just any kind. This is the truth. Person ask me on top Twitter, say where you come from.
I come Ogun State.
Ogun State. Where for inside Ogun State?
Ogun State. I go tell them next week.
Alex, wait, your ways are not pure.
If you follow me, I'll tell you. If you follow me on Twitter now, I will tell you.
Now, for that Fine Boy song, I see Fine Boy t-shirts they're everywhere. Now, for say you sell them, I just give out.
The first ones where I do for promo.
The first one
the
for
next
promo.
ones where they come out, they try to do maybe close to like 10,000 copies.
Wow.
If you give other people, if you sell them.
Okay, if you sell them.
Yeah, so
you go online for people who buy any part of the.
And I go Europe tour from September to October. So I go carry them, go to promote them, sell them for this.
Okay. When you go to Europe tour?
From September
to October. Yeah. Okay. Now round Europe.
Yeah,
okay.
Europe.
But why you never do Nigerian tour? As in, you never really.
Yeah, I go do Nigerian tour very soon when I come back.
Okay, when you come back from Europe.
For Nigeria, I want to try to do free campus tour. Then I go universities.
All those babes, you can't even put nobody. Go play me. This is a good DJ. I go hype for you. Yes, he's here again. Go good though.
They go together now.
We go together.
We guys go together. You go support me now. You don't talk for TV. So if I call you, say
how go they support you? With money, you go pay. Now you go pay transport.
I go pay transport.
You go pay transport. Okay.
But we go. You go.
Okay. From Abuja, good evening. LAX is evil. Hello. Now babe, don't wait. Hello. You go no babe. If not be babe, then it's phone. I talk Iye. I take note. I'm in the spirit. Iye, good evening. Iye. You see, now babe, I don't know. Some people they call like this for night. Anyway, the new song of LAX, Fine Boy, very beautiful Gancho song. Of course, trust Olamide. Now, when Olamide entered the song, I started here from LAX mouth. 15 minutes now, you take voice your own, write your own, scatter the song. Make watch the video, we'll come back, we'll go talk more about the video and some kind of things where you never know about LAX. Whether you get Bebo, I be not get Bebo. If you are single babe there and you are looking for LAX to be your boyfriend, call it now. So
it's late.
What do you want to talk now about those girls now?
Those
Because this
girls.
one I know not for like, if not for good, if not for
You
London,
know-
wait,
wait,
no,
wait,
no, wait. I never talk finish. Wait, Alex,
May I
never
explain myself?
No, I explain anything. No explain anything. I never talk finish. If not for UK now, I go agree say you feel fear because of fear. Make what happen to African China or Timaya make it not happen to you, make them not say you rape them. If you feel you're wrong. But for Nigeria here, nobody will do that kind of thing. So, tell me now.
No,
tell
but
me. Hey, Elias,
when
leave that thing. Elias, leave that thing. So you tell me, say these girls now, you not do anything.
No, when I did do that,
Tell me, say you not do anything for these girls.
when I did do that part,
Yeah. What part?
those girls.
Wait, is it you see that part with that girl? With that this paka.
Those girls no dey there. Oh. I don't know. I don't know
Oh,
as director.
now director put them. Hey.
That would have got uncle. You
Hey,
can lie.
uncle, you don't lie. Wako ya.
Uncle, you can lie.
You see outside mark for my face, Abi? You see big mark for my face. Wako ya.
Why did they cast me now? I say they put them for there. I don't even know.
Okay,
say,
you know. Oh, now only you shoot.
Only me shoot.
Then later, they can't put
they
them
can't
on
put
top.
them.
Hell.
I don't know how they take them. They do. May help me ask them.
Am I asking? Oh, God Almighty. Anyway, make I ask you. How many songs you don't get so far?
I don't get 3 singles out.
3 singles
my
out,
Own
okay.
my own.
Starboy own.
Starboy own. Starboy own are 3. But okay, my own.
Your own.
I don't do songs.
You don't do songs. Like plenty.
But may I say my first official single now with Ice Prince. That was in 2012.
2012. Okay. Okay. Now, as in, when would they look forward to? Now, what do your fans go look forward to? Make me I never ask. What do your fans make they look forward to? Apart from this tour, we know say they happen for September, October, September, November, September, October,
Yeah,
September, October, and this Fine Boy we just dropped now, nice song with Olamide and everything. Now, would they expect album anytime soon or more singles?
I don't dey work on my album for a long time now. So, but I don't dey serious with them because me and producers don't sit down. We don't dey work on the album.
Okay.
But for singles, I go dey drop singles.
Okay.
Because after Ginger, I been go do my masters. That's why people know to see me from Nigeria. After I drop Ginger.
Okay.
But now
okay.
I don't drop Fine Boy. Before you know, I go drop
Others
another
because they
single.
drop,
So I
they
go just
drop,
dey
they
Back to back.
Back to back, so that at least everybody go know.
Yeah, they go know, see.
Then go do the get the song, so that then go they anticipate,
They go dey anticipate
the
the
album.
album.
Now, nice one. Now, apart from Wizkid, Olamide, Ice Prince, where you don't mention. Now, which other person again you don't do collab with for Nigeria here?
I don't do with Timaya.
Don't do
I
Timaya.
don't do with Timaya.
Timaya no do.
Timaya did talented.
Oscoff. Timaya na somebody who I respect very
Too
well.
bad.
I respect. Timaya, forget to Timaya, somebody who I respect very well when it comes to
So,
music.
but for now, I dey work on my own sound.
Okay.
So I dey create my own music because I no want drop wetin Nigerians no go like. You get. So I dey work on my own
Me no be
craft.
saying only your mama go buy am.
And, you understand? And no be only my mama and they do go buy am. I know say you go buy am.
Me buy. Now, may I ask you? Now, which other artists for Nigeria here you dey look forward to working with?
I dey look forward to work with Burna Boy.
Burna
Because
Boy.
everybody when they
You
talk,
dey
they go say,
sound.
they say may I try do something. with
Ni
am,
una
say we
collab
come.
go make sense, sha.
Yeah, so I go try work with Burna Boy.
But here say Burna Boy dey hard to get. Say he dey very very
We'll
stubborn.
find them now. We guys find
You
them.
guys look for that. In the crazy, go then go look for that. They mad wherever they go, drag and come outside. Now another one again. Now which Nigerian artist? Because before you come Nigeria, enter music waka. Oh hey, before I ask you that one, at which point you joined Starboy with Wizkid? And only you and Wizkid is Starboy.
Yeah, and we get producers, Legendary Beats, Malik Berry.
Okay.
But now me and I be the artists for now.
For now.
Yeah.
Now who get am gongo? Now two get am. Only in one get am.
Nah, I ain't get Starboy.
Now him get Starboy. So now him can sign you.
him
So when him see you, sign you.
You see, my stylist at that time, when
Yes.
I did do music on my own,
Yes.
my stylist, she dey always hear my music. So she be friends with Wizkid. She can't tell me, say, may I play your music for Wiz now? Because at that time, I didn't even work on it, EP, 10 songs.
Okay.
So the old songs, she just carry and play them for Wiz. Wiz, I ain't like him now. So he call me, I go meet him, I play him other songs.
Okay.
He like him.
How you take me to tell him say well done, sir?
I tell him, say, well done, sir.
Hey, tell her, hey, what's up, my bro? What's up? Your contract and that way they do like this. What's up? They can't sign you.
I be cool person, so I just greet him normally.
Like, well, sir.
Have
He give you money.
Give me money.
He give you money for the signing where he sign. He not give you money.
No, but he promised me a lot of things we don't happen now. So
Yeah, what he promise you?
videos and we will get time for contracts.
Okay.
We will shoot videos and promotion and everything.
Okay. Well, which apart from Burna Boy, you get any other artists where you hope to work with?
See, to be honest, I feel work with
Everybody, as long as say he bring a good sound.
I don't mind. I feel
Nice
work with
one.
everybody.
You not gonna like work with Blackface, Danfo drivers, Idris Abdulkarim. You not gonna like work with them.
Trust me, I go like work with them. Because if I work with them,
But Idris Abdulkarim go do miggity, wow. He go spoil the song.
he no go try now.
If you do it, I go beat you.
He no go try
And
now.
if you do anything,
when
he
he
go
hear,
beat
when,
you.
when he hear the song, he go know. Saying gas, he no go
Okay.
give us that one.
Ingas arrange
Guys
everything.
arrange
Okay. Anyway, LAX now give us a studio. In case you never hear the new song, Fine Boy, make it check on
Fine
top
Boy.
internet now. Download them. Which iTunes? Is there iTunes now?
We never did iTunes, but we did iTunes.
But iTunes don't full. Why they not get we tunes
No
or us
understand.
tunes or them tunes
What's happened to all leg tunes?
or leg tunes?
Leg tunes.
iTunes or all those tunes, all those things. So
Or
that
mouth tune.
mouth tunes. So when they fit download
Mount
them, they want
tunes, if they
download
use
them.
them for other things.
Eh?
Music.
Okay. Now wait. Apart from music, which other things did they do? Apart from
play-
music and babes, all those babes,
I dey play
where then
football.
they impose on you.
I dey play football.
They play football.
I dey dance.
They dance. A normal dance, a bedroom dance.
Anything. I dey do any dance. Any dance. You can apply. I can teach you.
We'll give you the song.
More give it to make you dance.
Legendary beat.
That's what I'm saying.
Now see me. I
Oh,
can
that's Shakiti Baba.
Stop small.
I don't know what they
Anyway, thank you. Quickly, one of our person, Amini March, her birthday. Now yesterday, I've been out today.
Yeah, yesterday.
Her birthday now yesterday. Will not do anything for her. But today, before as we come up for inside studio, we'll go play some kind of small things today for tell Mini March. Happy birthday from me, Easy Beats, K Solo, K Moss, everybody, LAX,
Yeah, we will give her one CD,
everybody.
we'll give her
But
one
quickly, before you come up for inside studio, those who want to follow you for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, what's in your handle?
If you don't follow me for Instagram, na IZZLAX. For Twitter, na LAX Starboy. If you want to come my house, na number 9. I will tell you next week. You understand? But you know, if you come my house, so those guys ask Nedu know the address.
You see, and you tell me say those guys did not do anything. Anyway, make we watch some kind of things to take for Tech Mini March. Happy birthday. And then from there, we'll kind of come up for inside studio till tomorrow. Good night.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.